To me, I'll say this, and I say it every year. If you're here participating, that means you're a winner. You didn't have an accident. Your company saw fit to allow you to come. So, as the old saying goes, you're a winner either way.
We came here last year, and actually Tom was one of the winners of last year's event, and we got 2 more of our drivers to help out this year. And Tom is back again, trying to win the national honor. Yeah, he's very, we're so proud of him.
I won last year. I took first place and actually got to go to the national event. And, some of the guys that are here today were here last year. We had a really good time, and the national event was really fun too.
It was a beautiful opportunity. Out there with amongst 83 guys from all around the state to get the chance to show your skills and stuff. Have a great time, you know, just compete, you know.
We think it's a grand thing for a company to come out and give incentive for safe drivers and to be safe, and for the company to be promoting things such as that.
I'm having a wonderful time. I'm enjoying everybody. The food's good. The course is kind of hard, but just take your time and just be careful with it.
Oh my God, he's crazy. Oh, I done sweat that much in labor. Oh, he's crazy.
You know, we're happy to be a part of an event like this. It was important for us because this is our customer base. The drivers that operate these trucks are probably one of the most important assets that any of the companies have, you know, in their organization.
Well, our sponsors are really great. I mean, they've fully supported this event. I just can't say enough about how important it is to the association that these guys come out and support not only the association industry, but our drivers. And hats off to those guys, and we appreciate it very much.
Our ready mix industry, we're kind of like a family when you're talking to the drivers. I mean, they're a fraternity almost of people that do really hard work. It's admirable work, but it's hard. And, you know, I never really drive past a concrete truck that I don't wave my hands.
And our 2017 state champion from Thomas Concrete, $1,250, Dustin Freeman.